Let's go to work, 'cause I'm tripping. Gotta work on myself, 'cause I'm falling apart. Please wake me up, 'cause I'm slipping. Can't fight this feeling off no more. Oh na 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 na. When all I see is darkness and gloom, yeah, I'll be running from my doom. Oh na 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 na. But now it's time to live my life, and now I know what I need to do.
My language. That was a good
That shit is cold.
Yeah.
I mean, ice cold. Oh my God, that feels so good.
Going in there, I recommend everybody going there.
I think I do.
I love my island, and every chance I get, I want to be a good ambassador for Jamaica. So when a subscriber from New York reached out to me saying that they were going to come to Jamaica for a few days and they wanted to, wanted me to show them a few places while they were here. Firstly, I was honored that he saw my content and thought I was cool enough to want to hang out with me, to want me to show him, just a small piece of what my island has to offer. Well, I was a bit apprehensive at first, but after speaking to the person through the DMs, I realized that they seemed to be a cool person, so I decided that I would definitely grab this opportunity to kind of do what I've always wanted to do, and that's be a good ambassador for my country and culture. Today we're at Pretty Close. I've already done a Pretty Close vlog, so you guys can definitely check that out if you haven't already. We just hiked to the waterfalls, now we're heading back down.
What's up, everybody? Man, my experience here in Jamaica so far has been amazing. Pretty Close, it's dope. Y'all should check it out. Check out all the waterfalls here, and check out to the people. Don't believe that travel ban stuff for all Americans back home, especially Black Americans. Definitely come check it out, man. Everybody should come check it out, no matter which color you are, man. And follow my boy's YouTube channel, man. He's dope, man. That's how I found him, so I recommend everybody reach out to him. And,
So why did you choose Jamaica?
I chose Jamaica because I love the Caribbean, man. I'm from the Bronx. If you know, there's a lot of Jamaicans uptown in the Bronx. So I just, always loved the culture, man. And plus, it's just something that's I wanted to try different. Just come here and show love. And shout out to the greats before, like Bob Marley. He's in my top 5 favorite artists of all time.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Real goat shit.
Get some nice Jamaican food. Pretty close.
Straight from the island.
Let me see what you have. So you have, well, that's ackee and sawfish. You know what the ackee and sawfish is?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a national dish.
Yes, sir. My friends in the Bronx told me.
Yeah, man, how was that vibe?
Good vibe.
Yeah?
I knew it was going to be good.
Yeah.
But it actually lived up to it and more.
And more.
Everybody was amazing. The people we met, everything.
Yeah. And the food?
Oh, yeah. The food was amazing. Wow. I was like,
9.5 out of 10 to me.
Yeah.
It was really the fish. I didn't know the fish was gonna be that good.
Yeah.
I knew it was gonna be good, but it was like over the top of what I thought. You know.
Then trust me, you would have loved the dinner then.
Yeah, I know. I saw it. That's what I'm saying. But with the Bob Marley Museum, they won't let me. I tried to switch my dates. They
Yeah, they're not
They're
switching
saying
it.
no. Well, we'll still charge you. I said,
Yeah. Because they probably will booked out, especially like now, like the movie came out and so.
Yo, that's crazy. Because I was like, wow, the movie come out when I'm about to go.
Yeah.
He received the love out here. Like it's
Yeah, man, yeah.
Not till I got here, but once I started looking up here, I was like,
Yeah.
oh, they got a statue of him.
Yeah, man.
I didn't know, because some people that's from their places,
Mhm.
or like, you know, since they, wherever they like laid their foundation and did most of their work,
Yeah.
that's where they get the most praise at most.
True,
you
true,
know?
true.
So
Yeah, man, he's our first national hero
yeah,
here in Jamaica. We have 7.
and he's a hero in New York too. Like
Yeah.
I said, he set the foundation for like Jamaicans in New York, to be honest.
Yeah,
So,
true.
Pick up on yourself locked in right about now. Carmarla. Pick up yourself locked in from New York. Alright, Glendon, it's your birthday. Enjoy your birthday, yo. Floss and
The 1 o'clock tour, so I guess that's you.
damn, bro.
No, man, not good, man. I must say, I am living or
So what you gonna do?
Eh? Just chill.
Man, I feel bad.
No, man, no need to, man.
How you gonna occupy yourself, bro?
Just chill. Have my phone.
Just
Look
chill.
at, bro, the environment. There's a
Nah,
lot
that is true.
There's a lot of,
You're gonna be on TikTok for a whole.
yeah, just a lot. Just go and embrace, you know? The cool breeze and the art. So just go on and pay attention to them, I say.
Alright, man. I'll be back.
Yeah, no problem, bro. Truly, there's no bigger ambassador than Bob Marley himself for Jamaica. You know, see the appreciation that people have for him all over the world, that they journey to this little rock just to experience some of the levity or the lifestyle that he lived is quite inspiring, given where he came from. Waiting on the tour to end. Once the tour ends, I think we'll be going to the Bob Marley Museum. Yeah, just trying to do. It's not a lot of time that he has here in Jamaica, so just trying to squeeze as much as we can into the weekend. I'll be getting back to the grind. I'm going to be pushing out more content for you guys, so yeah, just look out for that. Look out for more content. Hopefully the aim is to try to see how much I can upload this year, as much as possible, to see if we can get to the goal of 1,000 subscribers.
Marley and just always put soccer with him.
See me on the board.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, man. See me on Prince.
So I had to let him know.
Oh,
You see me on Prince Charles, you know?
oh yeah.
It's final football at that.
Yeah, so you can go on the internet and
Yeah.
look, you know?
So you're like a craft shop this.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I just supported him.
Oh yeah, for sure, for sure.
Thank you for the
Just
birthday
dance
wish.
a while ago.
Yeah, I miss that.
Done some dance.
Hey.
Yeah, I'm gonna show him the video. I'm gonna show it to him. Oh, we gotta go though. Thank you, brother. Again, man, it's a blessing to meet you, man. That's crazy. I didn't know I was gonna meet someone that actually literally was
New, yeah, that's
still
dope. But you enjoy the tour though.
enjoy it, man. What are you talking about, man? That's just the nature of society, right?
You know, that's something I was going to ask you. What were like the preconceptions that you had about Jamaica before coming here?
That's a great. That's something you should have asked me in the GoPro. Oh. If anything, I would say probably that like Jamaicans don't really not saying but don't really interact as much with like Black Americans as much, you know.
Yeah.
Or they don't view them the same as like touristy, like white tourists. You know what I'm saying? But that's if anything. Like I said, really nothing because of just knowing, like I showed you earlier, someone that's from here. You know,
yeah.
and their family from here.
You know a lot of Jamaicans.
Yeah, I know a lot of Jamaicans in my life, so it's maybe if I didn't know, I would have more things to say. But since I already talk with a lot of people and grew up with a good amount, I don't really know. I will also say that a lot of Jamaicans that come to the state, they're usually in the same community as Black Americans, and then they start understanding that we have like similar struggles. You see what I'm saying? So we connect easily.
Yeah, for sure.
But yeah, that's about it. I can't. Busy today. Boom, clap my you.
So we just got to Bob Marley's beach.
When I dance, I drop on your head.
Alright, so Elliot, go and get a dip. So how was that dip?
Fire. It was great. I recommend it to everybody. Bless up by Molly. Current's not bad today. Good to cleanse the mind, body, and soul.
I just like the fact that the mountain range kind of just enclose the beach area. Buy 2 festival natural juice, June plum and a red stripe. I gotta try, Elliot, I gotta try a red stripe.
Big red dress. Straight from the
Yeah. But from there I say more rice and peas, so that's the right place to go for sure. So I get some jerk chicken and rice and peas.
I like this old.
This song you take your girl to.
Yeah,
Why you always recording while I say I was like, damn. Yo, people look at your video. Who is that?
What's funny, I've never been to Kingston Jerk, and the spot is a real vibe though. Like, have to check it out sometime. Some other time where I can kind of like see it better. After a little wait, we got our food and called it a night. We then met up in downtown the next day. I was showing him a few of the murals around the area. We got some food after this, some KFC, and got ready for our next adventure. We eat like plant chips. So that makes so much nice. There we go.
Right there, so I get my brightness.
Right now we're in Port Royal, just waiting on the boat to head out to Lime Key.
No, they're not like that. Come here, take it down, step on it, right?
Pull the button.
Yo!
Still record. Make sure I have on my vest now, guys. Sure, so this is tight. Guys, you're cool.
Soggy, they gotta do better.
Yeah. We're out on the quay. We're there just talking for a bit. So now we're going to see. We're going to see what? We're going to just explore around the island a bit. The last time I came to Lime Key, you guys said I didn't show enough of the island. So we're going to do a full 360 of the island this time, so we can get a look at everything. How was the boat ride to come over?
Yo. It was fun, but it feels like you're riding a roller coaster. So be prepared if you ever come to Lime Key. But don't be scared.
Yeah. Because we're having the sea's a bit rough now, so the ride was very rocky coming over.
Choose what I be easy, it's a necessity.
No, think. Alright guys, so Elliot is also a content creator. He raps and he does poetry. So he's going to come up with something on the spot for you guys. Let me hold it over. He's going to come up with something on the spot for you guys.
Spend my birthday here in Jamaica. America keeps saying that Jamaica's a bad place because of everything that's been going on. Like if America's not worse. I came in for my birthday and I linked with my brother so he could show me what's going on in this earth. This is off the top of my head and I just wanted to share this with you guys, my poetry. I love the white sands on the beach. It inspires me in the hills that clench me. I'm just speaking off the top and I hope you can feel me. To everybody out there in the world. You know, I'm still out here trying to look for these girls, but I know how to control my lust. Nature's a must. So I advise you and I advise others to come out here and to feel what nature has to offer. It's more than money. Get rid of all the pain on your shoulders that you've been weighing on you for the longest. I'm just trying to stay strong because God gives his battles to the strongest men on earth. Even though inside we feel hurt, but we have to be grateful for another day. Elliot, aka L, I'm here to say, amazing grace. Thank you, God, for allowing me to come here and to speak my peace. Amen to all. Live on for eternity.
Yeah. Yo, that dope. Yo, dig me now. Yo, that dope, yo. Yeah, man, I like that. So now we're around the next side of the island. This side seems to be back to the sandy norm. It's not that rocky. I mean, we could have walked through the island and come this side, but just wanted to explore the outskirts first and see what it was like. And it's been real beautiful to walk around, as you guys can tell. But as I say, a lot of the times the camera don't really capture how beautiful somewhere is when you see it in person. I don't know, it's just, I don't know, there's a lot of mysticism in nature, you know. You call yourself, what, how you pronounce it, Elibak?
Elibak.
Elibak, why?
Elibak means like a spiritual godhead.
Oh, a spiritual what?
An African spiritual godhead.
Okay.
That's the name, but I got the name Ibaka. When I was younger, I used to play basketball. And my homeboys from Brooklyn, they used to call me Ibaka because my defense was like the actual basketball player.
Oh, okay. So you got the back.
But I always looked up to Tupac.
You know, I thought it was a Tupac spin, like Tupac Ibak.
I mean, well, then that's how I dropped the A. Because I was like, you know what? Because people also call me L or E. So I was like, put it all together, L-E-Bak. It's like 3 of my nicknames on to one.
Yeah. I'm always surprised at the peace I normally find in nature. In tranquil environments like this, just, I don't know, it just does something to me. I love it, and that's why I love exploring, coming to these places, because I get to experience somewhere new and experience the feeling, the familiar feeling that I get from nature.
You gotta wake up now. You've been sleeping for too long, you gotta wake up. Yeah. For that man with the gun, you gotta know what goes around, comes back around. And simple forgiveness is the new song. We'll never forget, but silence is
I think you'll take away from your time at Jamaica.
Definitely the views, the community. I can't just pick one, I'm sorry. I feel like you get more in tune with yourself when you come out here in the nature. Caribbean in general, but like Jamaica, especially if you're black, no matter where you're from, across the world, when you come here, you feel connected. You feel connected to the people.
Feel like you belong.
Yeah, 100%. 100%. 100%. And that's something I won't take for granted. So
Yeah.
that's definitely whoa. Shout out to Winch.
To leave the island, trust me, the water was amazing. Glad I took a dip. But yeah, we're going to leave like, head back over. Not sure what else will happen after that, but we'll see. Crazy how the woman just threw her phone a while ago. It's not like the boat did get close, you know, she just by time I register, so she has said catch the phone already a flight.
Make a way. Look up to the sky to the brighter days. In a world there is a revolution. Soon there will no longer be pollution. Shining brighter than all the diamonds. There will be a different horizon. One day we will all come to Zion. Strong as a lion, we can be silenced. No, there's a busy answer to all of this. Even in a hateful heart it exists. Why can't we just look at the lockdown? It's been too long, yeah. We gotta reunite, yeah. Put a man with a gun. You gotta know what goes around comes back around. Asking for forgiveness is the new song. We'll never forget, but silence is loud.
Wait, don't move. We're here in Port Royal. We're about to leave Port Royal now. I'm not sure, this might be where I end the vlog. We'll be hanging out tonight, but I'm not sure if I'll be vlogging that. He has 2 more days left, but unfortunately I have work tomorrow. So I must send a big shout out to the man himself, Elliot, for being my channel and choosing to reach out to me.
Yes, sir.
I really respect that. So this might be the last time you appear on the vlog, because I'm not going to really vlog later. So what's your takeaway? What's your conclusion on Jamaica? What do you think?
Jamaica, it's a whole vibe. It's a whole vibe. You know, I mean a whole vibe. I ain't talking about bad vibe. You know what I mean? Come visit here. Black Americans, black people, get in touch with the people. You know what I mean? Shout out to bro. He definitely is a real one, authentic one. You know? Yeah, it's a whole vibe. So, big up the Maroons, and don't forget to subscribe to Bro channel.
Never know you never gonna believe me, but me woulda find it tough to keep this thing a secret. Cause got me going to the deepest of oceans. Come on, let me show you why I feel.